as everybody dies. Everybody is dead in Battle of the Gods 2. Master Snuggies is making a comeback. As Master Snuggie moves along, trying to rebuild his new fortress. Battle of the Gods 3.
Sir, what about your muffins?
Shut up, you cowardly pig! I don't need you anymore! Get out of my life!
Pig, I want to help.
Get out of my life!
Please.
I said no!
What about your croissants and bagels?
Ooh, please give me my croissants. Thank you.
Okay. I'm only gonna give you them if you let me help.
No.
Why not?
Because I don't need a sidekick.
But why don't you need a sidekick?
Because you suck so bad.
Why?
Because you're a pig.
I'm not a pig. I'm Fox. Look at my toy.
You're a cowardly pig.
How am I a cowardly pig if I'm not
Out of my life.
No! You're a donut!
I don't care about my stupid donuts.
You're not allowed here.
Please, I beg you, please let me stay here.
You would only be able to stay here if you get my friend Fox.
The cowardly pig?
He's not a cowardly pig. I will abandon you if you don't get him.
Okay, the fox, I'll go get it. Please, I'm sorry. I'll go get the
And
fox.
accept his donuts.
I
They're
will accept his
They're
donuts.
fresh from Dunkin'.
Yes, I love Dunkin'.
Okay, then go get him in a lickety split and come back with the guy who you call a cowardly pig.
Okay.
And don't call him a cowardly pig.
Okay,
anymore.
master. Hey, Fox, can you please come with me?
No, why would I come with you? You abandoned me.
What? I will accept your bagels.
Okay, maybe if we need to make a deal, okay? You accept my bagels, I come with you, and you also have to let me become co-Empire Lord guy.
Deal, but I'm not the Empire.
Who is then?
Turdy, Master Turdy.
Master Turdy? Well, then you must tell him to make me co-Empire guy. Also, you have to carry me everywhere I say.
Fine.
I'm carrying you. Are you happy now?
Yes, I am. Where would you like to go? The Turdy's lair. Okay, we're here.
Hey, Master Turd. What can I do for you? I just got here. My friend, Master Snuggie, saved me.
Okay, thank you. I asked him to. Well, I had the knife ready just in case. But looks like I have to drop it. Thank you, Master Snuggie, for being a great partner.
Okay, but Master Snuggies, when do you want your muffins and your bagels? Because you made a deal that you have to.
Give me the
accept
bagels now, nom.
Okay, okay, sounds good.
Okay, so, because you brought Fox back, I was about to promote Fox to co-Empire. So,
Yes, please do that. Yes, please.
I guess I will.
Yes!
You are co-Empire. And Master Snuggie, I don't want to see your face ever again.
No, I do not accept. I want to be Code Empire Lord guy.
Okay, fine. But Master Snuggie, you are still a standard student. You have to sleep in bed, learn, and whatever Fox tells you, you have to obey.
Yes. I get to
Okay.
become a lord around here.
Yes, master.
But only if Fox, you get kicked out. And unless you give me a chocolate croissant a day with extra lettuce on top.
Okay, I'll have them ready by 5 minutes. And-
Silence! Master Snuggie, be on your way.
Okay, I'm getting out of here.
Silence!
Oh, sorry.
Be on your way to bed. it's bedtime. Eat your snack that Fox will give you and go to bed. You now live here and will be another master like us.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna make you a little potato, okay? You want a creamed potato or you want as your bedtime snack, you want a creamed potato or mashed potato?
I love cream potatoes.
Okay, I guess we'll get you a creamed potato. Coming right up, sir.
And the chocolate croissant must come out in exactly 5 minutes with extra lettuce on top and an extra 6. So
Oh.
6 minutes, including the lettuce and croissants.
Okay.
If you're 1 second late or early, you will get abandoned.
Okay, but Master Turret, can you take your knife off me? It really tickles.
Oh, really? You want me to take the knife off? Well, Master Snuggie, you got to go to bed first.
Hey, before I go to bed, Master Turtle.
No, Master Turret.
Sit me back up. Okay, I will drop the knife. Now, you will obey my rules and go get me a chocolate croissant.
Okay, Master. Hey, bye. Hey, Master Turdy,
What?
your name sounds like the turd that comes out of my buttocks.
Okay, I will come over to you and you are no longer allowed here.
No, please don't.
No cream potatoes!
No, I need my cream potatoes.
Don't call me a turd! Ah!
Ow, ow.
And for the final, don't call me turd again.
You're a fat turd butt nugget.
Well, you're a fat, creamy potato.
You're a fart face button smelling nugget.
Well, you are a fat monkey.
Hey, sir, I have your chocolate croissant. Not now.
Wait, but. Yes, bring me over the croissant. This guy doesn't get the cream potatoes. Okay.
Give me the cream potatoes.
Ah! Then you will be nice and leave.
Yes.
Don't stab the knife in me.
Yeah.
Ow! You got me a hole! How dare you! You got me a hole! Bum, bum, bum! Rawr! Hey, here's your chocolate croissant. You stabbed me. You have done enough. Ow! Live now. Go find your own friends and never invade again.
You're so mean. And you don't even get your creamy potato.
What would you like to order today?
No, whatever you want.
Can I get some turkey bacon, please?
That's.
And some cream potatoes.
We ran out of creamy potatoes. I ate the last one. Oh, you better not. My husband is going to get really upset. But sorry, the server Fox doesn't have any more
husband's
cream.
head. Get off my husband's head. No.
And I told him to never come to this restaurant ever. Your husband is a stupid baby head.
You're a mashed potato.
What's going on? What's going on? I'm your father. You should be more.
Hey, Mr. Heck. What's up, Mr. Heck?
Hey, you don't call me that. You call me Senior Snuggie. I'm Senior Snugger.
To be continued.
Make sure to subscribe and like here, kids. Because if you want to see more videos like this, you got to turn on those notifications when you hit subscribe. You little baby turtle.
Subscribe, leave a like, and we'll see you in the next video.
See ya.
Click, click, click.